What if you could create a professional voiceover in minutes without hiring voice actors, recording audio, or spending hours editing? I recently tested Murf AI, and I was honestly surprised by how much more it can do than just text-to-speech. It can generate natural voices, translate videos into different languages, dub existing content, and even help teams produce voiceovers much faster. So today, let's see if Murf AI is actually worth using. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever needed voiceovers for YouTube videos, presentations, online courses, podcasts, marketing videos, or even product demos, you've probably realized that recording quality audio isn't always easy. That's exactly where Murf AI comes in. In this video, I'll show you what it does, some of its standout features, how the platform feels to use, and we'll also take a look at its pricing so you can decide which plan makes the most sense. The first thing that stands out when opening Murf AI is that it isn't just another basic AI voice generator. The platform is built around three main products. The first is Murf Studio, where you can create AI voiceovers from text. The second is Murf Dubbing, which focuses on translating and dubbing videos into multiple languages. And the third is Murf API, designed for developers who want to integrate AI voice generation directly into their own applications. Everything is organized pretty clearly, so whether you're creating narration, localizing videos, or building AI-powered apps, it feels like everything is connected in one ecosystem instead of scattered across different tools. One feature I really like is the variety of AI voices available. Murf offers hundreds of voices across more than 35 languages, which gives you plenty of flexibility depending on the type of project you're working on. Instead of simply choosing a voice and generating audio, you can also adjust different speaking styles, experiment with pronunciations, and fine-tune how the narration sounds. That makes the voiceovers feel much more polished compared to many basic text-to-speech tools. Another interesting feature is voice dubbing. Instead of recreating an entire video from scratch, Murf can help translate spoken content into multiple languages while keeping the workflow much simpler. For creators working with international audiences, that's a huge time saver. I also noticed the platform supports collaboration. If you're working with teammates, reviewing scripts, or producing content together, having everyone inside one workspace is definitely more convenient than constantly sending files back and forth. On top of that, Murf also includes API access for businesses and developers, making it useful beyond content creation alone. Overall, it feels like Murf isn't trying to solve just one problem. It covers the entire AI voice production process. One thing I appreciated while exploring the interface is how clean everything feels. The editor is straightforward, and it's easy to understand where to generate voices, preview results, or manage projects. I also like that the platform isn't overloaded with unnecessary settings right away. You can start simple, but if you want more control over your voice generation, those options are there when you need them. That makes it approachable for beginners while still offering enough flexibility for more advanced users. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is something many people will want to know. According to the pricing page shown here, Murf offers several different plans. There's a free plan that costs $0 per month, which lets you get started with 10 projects, 10 minutes of voice generation, and one editor. The creator plan starts at $19 per month when billed annually. It increases your project limits, unlocks unlimited downloads, includes commercial rights, and gives access to the full voice library. If you need more capacity, there's the business plan starting at $66 per month, which adds features like a business license, additional voice controls, PowerPoint integration, audio to text, and support for more projects. And finally, there's an enterprise option with custom pricing for larger organizations that need advanced collaboration, security, and enterprise-level features. Overall, I think Murf AI has grown into much more than a simple AI voice generator. With voice creation, multilingual dubbing, collaboration features, and API access all under one platform, it covers a surprisingly wide range of use cases. If you've been looking for an AI-powered solution for creating voiceovers or multilingual content, Murf AI is definitely worth checking out and exploring for yourself. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which AI platform you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.